Ucabithia na uheani wa mabuku ma passport ukoretwo ari thina munene kuri ya Kenya aria maikite ihoya ria kuheo passport andu makigirika na njira nene wetereri-ini wao wa mabuku maya. Niguo kunina thina uyu mwaria wa thirikari Isaac MWAURA oigite thirikari ni heanite ciringi mirioni 500 kuri ruhonge rwa uthami niguo kugacirithia uheani wa passport na oho macini igiri ni iguritwo cia gucabithia mabuku maya.
Initial seed capital money of 500 million already given for modernization, and we hope that in the next financial year we shall get the required about 3 billion or so, so that then we start producing our booklets locally. But also there are partnerships with the private sector that would also yield a faster result. Currently, as I may have said it before, we are expecting 100,000 booklets and 2 machines.
Better Plan Blueprint also seeks to enhance government service delivery through digitization and automation of all critical government processes and to make available 80% of government services online.
Hari kuongererwo kwa marihi ma motungata mamwe ma thirikari ta uheani wa ibande, passport, marũa ma gũciarwo. MWAURA ugite ni ihinda ria Kenya kuoya wũigĩrĩrĩki wao wa kuimenyerera, kiongerera ati marihi maya matikweherio.
For IDs and such other services, it is important because Kenyans were only paying 100 bob, I think since the 1990s or thereabout. So that revision is important so that government is able to provide these services. So the fees that are provided are not punitive. Ukingoja kitabu cha kurasa 34 itachukua muda kwa sababu hazipo, lakini kama utachukua muda huu mwingine mchache, basi ungojee arafa uweze kuweka application yako, alafu mwisho utaweza kuambiwa wakati gani unachukua. Lakini fauka ya hayo ni vizuri nisisitizie kwamba kuna passport 58,000 ambazo bado hazijachukuliwa na Wakenya.
Hari mugomo wa arigitani uria urariririo kiumia githiru, MWAURA ni uritie kiama kia arigitani KMPDU kwaraniria na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, akiuga mugomo ucio ti kuhuthia ukahuthia maundu na arwaru no maherithike makiria.
Government wishes to really also condemn strongly any attack by any of the demonstrators, and we are calling upon the KMPDU to really find an amicable way to resolve whatever issues that they are having with regards to to the intern doctors and the deployment and all of their grievances.
Hari waki wa ceceni ya kiriu ya KONZA City, MWAURA ugite ino ni tafarire imwe ya thirikari na igukorwo igitura mieke mingi ya mawira kuri ya Kenya, iria oho igukorwo na university 3 cia guthomithania maundu matiganite muno makiria mathomo megie technology. Aheanite ndeto ino hindi ya icera riake ceceni nino ya KONZA City.
The government spoke about developing the 1450 digital hubs, and it is through this that as KONZA Technopolis we've come up and we began the process through the project through the GUTEITHIRIRIA digital program, where we are working with the Ministry of Education through TVET institutions, and we've been able to deploy devices through our project to ensure that we enhance and we provide a platform within which the youth are able to get the devices, get trained digital skills, and link them up with the digital jobs.
Giri Fotera, Kameme TV, Jitawunya Bura, Wakiruba.